Hello guys, now in part 1 we solved the first layer. Now in this part we will go for the mid layer or second layer. Okay, so to solve this, first we have to make sure the edges, we will go for the edges, the mid edge. Like here we have red and blue, so we will rotate it until we find the center red. Now we have red, and then we will look the above color, like here we have blue. Now we have we see that blue is at the left side of it. Okay, so we will do some algorithm, like if we have blue at the left side, we will rotate it the opposite of this side. Okay, like this, and then we apply, if it is at the left side, then we will apply left hand algorithm. Now left hand algorithm is new for you, so in left hand, first we will rotate it anti-clockwise like this, and then the upper part again anti-clockwise, and then clockwise, and then upper part clockwise. Okay, now if the above color is at the left side, we will shift our cube left side. Okay, only one time, and then we again apply the right hand algorithm, which you remember I told you in the part 1. Okay, so we will do it, this process, until we completed our mid layer. Okay, so now we have blue and orange. Now found the center blue, and we look for the orange, which is at again left side. So I will just rotate my cube opposite of left like this, and then I will apply the left hand algorithm because it is at the left side, and then rotate it left, and then right hand algorithm. Okay, now we have this situation in which there are no other colors are left, only with red, only with yellow. So in this situation, it's a troubleshoot situation. So for this, uh, if they we have to substitute this color at here. So for this we will just go for the right algorithm like this, and then we will rotate it right and apply a left hand algorithm if this situation occurs. So now we have this edge here, red and green. Now we will do again the same procedure like this, green, green, and then red. So I will rotate it left side and then apply a left hand algorithm. So now we have orange and green, orange and green. Now here is green again at the left side, so we apply left hand algorithm, shift, rotate it right side, and then right hand algorithm. Now as you can see, we completed our second layer, orange, green, red, blue. Okay, so next part we will go for the uh, third layer. Okay, hope you understand it. Okay,